Merry Christmas, where your spot is.
Yep.
Like it, very.
You
Mom.
can color. Well, you need one too.
Mine is right here.
Oh.
That's mine.
You can't get it, see?
Don't sit on it.
I'm not gonna.
There's a fork and a knife in there.
Mom, you can
It's
have.
sharp.
No, there's. Oh, yeah. Mom, you can have the knife, okay? I know you
A
have.
fork is still sharp.
I know. But.
Okay, careful. Thank you.
I'm rolling it back up so I don't cut myself. See? See how I'm rolling it now?
You're doing a very good job.
I'm rolling it out of the top. Terry, can I use this?
That's mine.
I need to use this.
That's mine.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Terry already has one.
Why do you need two?
Now you want two.
Silly.
That's mine.
No, you have two. You will have two. You're gonna have two if you keep getting that.
So now you have two.
No,
It's okay if you have two.
No, I don't, because it's see. No, you have to.
Thank you.
You have two now.
Thanks.
You can have that stuff for your salad.
Thank you.
When it's bumpy, you can cut it, and when you follow it, when it falls or the bowl, you can scoop it, and this is for you eating it,
Okay.
and this is for you to eat the salad.
Oh, okay. Now I have three.
No, you don't.
Well, I have three knives. How many knives do I have now?
1, 2, and 3.
How many forks do I have now?
1, 2, 2.
How many spoons do I have?
1, 2.
That's a lot of silverware. Do you think I need all that silverware?
Hey, my crayons will work very well. That's not crayon.
Oh, excuse me, sweetie.
So quiet here. What's that?
If she sees that other little girl, she'll go play with her. If she sees that other little girl, she'll go play with her.
Oh.
Hi, Seer.
You stinker.
She heard it.
You heard that.
What's this one?
Oh my goodness. What are you making?
A circle. Mom, what do you need to do with this? With this guy.
You're supposed to make a kite. He's supposed to be flying a kite. Make a kite there. And this one, you figure out which one of these squiggles makes it to the end.
Oh, this one does. Which
Which one is that, though? You have to figure out which one it is.
I know, it's this one.
Which one? What number is that?
I'm going to put the first one right around the corner.
I don't know.
And then this one, tic-tac-toe. This one you unscramble the words.
Can you do tic-tac-toe? You're supposed. I'll do the X's, okay?
You know how to do tic-tac-toe?
Yeah. You do X and O. I win. You didn't do it.
You didn't give me a chance to put the O's.
But you just can do them in here.
Okay, here.
That's
There's
fine.
an O.
I'm gonna win. Ah. We tied.
You're supposed to be the X and I'm the O, remember?
Mommy, do it again. Because me and you were playing tic-tac-toe.